Hey, man, we got an Ezgo gas car here. You gotta get a charger. Ezgo gas car here that doesn't run. Got my son, my little brother here. I'm gonna try to teach them how to fix it at the same time teach y'all what's it doing.
Not running.
Not running, no gas.
All right, first thing we're gonna do is take it, flip this around, like this. We're gonna flip it. That way you can lock it in neutral. All right, crank her up. Get it charged up after, Jerry. All right, the battery's weak, so we're gonna get the charger and charge it up. But before it just turned over, get it dropped. Before it just turned over, it didn't crank up, so we're gonna see what it does.
It's working out.
Yeah. And what we use here is a universal charger. You can adjust. That's my God. You can adjust all the settings. Man, if y'all can smell what I smell right now, y'all wouldn't even watch the video. So what we're gonna do is put it on 12 volts. All right. We'll put the battery higher amperage. This is something we have here to charge it up with. All right, it's charging. All right, what's it do? Go ahead, Gene. All right, so what's the next thing y'all do? All right, let's get a spark tester. Get a spark tester from off the wall.
I'm trying to see what it's for.
Nope. Right there, yep. Right there. To your right, Jay. Yep. All right, so first thing we're going to do, you got battery voltage, and the battery's not hooked up backwards. So we're not going to do that. Now we're going to put it on there and see if it sparks. Put it in here or something. All right, hit the gas and see if it sparks. All right, you get a spark. All right, just grab a carpet cleaner right there. Let's So I'm gonna try both seal on this, but really long to get one, then I'm gonna try to run. Get a spark. So then, what I'm gonna do here is just to be safe, I'm gonna look in there and see if the cam's turning. So you see the cam turning, so the timing belt ain't broke. We normally don't do that to begin with. I just thought I'd show y'all. So next thing we're going to do is open the air box up. This is the Robbins engine. It's $2.95. We're going to spray some carburetor cleaner in there. And Jason's going to hit the gas. We're going to see what fires up.
Right.
Just a little bit.
Hit it.
All right, do it here, Jay. Great carburetor cleaner there. Again. Alright, so it ain't firing. So apparently the spark plugs are fouled or something like that, even though it's sparking. But let's see. The throttle open it up.
Right.
No, we turn the key off, hit the gas, we're gonna see the throttle's open. Yeah, throttle's open. Alright, maybe a foul plug. 13/16. We're going to take one spark plug out and look at it. It's a 13/16 socket. We're going to do that. I've already looked in the gas tank. I did this before I got on the video, but if you look in the gas tank, you can see the pickup tube here. So you get pickup tubes there for gas. So it should pump gas. You can see a little bit of filter in there, a little bit of gas in the filter, which is normal. It should be flooded. The only time I've ever seen these fuel filters full of gas is when the needle in the carburetor sticks, and then you get oil in the engine because the carburetor sticks. That's the only time that you should ever see the fuel filter completely full of gas. Other than that, man, you don't carry but a couple ounces in it, if that. So now we're just gonna check the spark plug, see what we got. Get a 2 spark plugs here. With the Robbins engine, man, we always go back with the Autolite 66 as a hotter plug. They come with the NGK, but we go with the Autolite 66 because it burns hotter. You can see the plug here. Let's see. Oh yeah. You see a plugs. Plug running rich, same way. Yeah, that's not good. You can see it wet. That means it's getting gas. Probably weak spark. Hold the phone here, Jay. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this right here. Cause the one plug was wet, meaning you probably got weak spark in here. Let's close it back, it's on fire. It look like weak spark, man. It ain't even jumping. It ought to jump off the end of the coil to a bolt once you ground it. Let's see. I recommend don't hold the wire home. You might get shocked. What you got a spark plug for? Let's check this cylinder. That the spark plug, son?
Give me a sec. Open it up.
Yeah, it's probably got a bad coil. The problem is it's hard to get an OEM. The problem is it's hard to get an OEM coil for this. If you do get one, get a Red Hawk. Got that in there. Let's see. What are you doing? All right, now my son dropped the spark plugs. I always check the gap on them when you get them. And sometimes when bring her over, I guess.
Is that too much?
Yeah. That's good there. Let's see, the gap should be like that. You can put it in. Yeah, it probably won't crank. It probably will crank up, man, but it's going to be hard. Man, we won't ever get a part for this. Let's see here. Like I said, 13/16 spark plug socket. Always start it by hand so you don't cross thread it. All right. So this right here tells me that it's running rich, or the valve seals are bad. They ain't old, just running rich. Probably a carburetor problem or something like that. All right, man. I just want to do it step by step, man. Show you how to get it working. I would have said the coil was weak because the spark didn't jump, but it's firing up. But once the engine gets a little less compression, it's going to be hard to crank up. Stay tuned, man. Appreciate it.
Real fun.